somewhere over the rainbow.
This essential oil diffuser blend is inspired by going out and looking for rainbows. I love looking for rainbows with my daughter Gloria because she believes unicorns live in rainbows. So if we happen to see one, we go hunt for unicorns and it is so fun. All right, let's get started. We need our labels, our recipe card, and we're going to use all the essential oils that come in this month's recipe box. And we're gonna use grapefruit, mandarin, I love this combination of citrus oils plus cypress, and our head soothing blend, which smells so good. It has hoe wood, lavender, and frankincense essential oil in it. You're gonna like it.
And from your big bonus box, you are going to grab your 5 milliliter bottle to make that master diffuser blend because we just know you're gonna love it.
Let's make it. To make this recipe, you're gonna grab your diffuser. Ours already has water up to the allotted line. This is our Simply Earth diffuser, which is super cute, and you can control the lights on it, and it has a timer. Really great diffuser.
So I'm gonna add 1 drop of cypress.
And 3 drops of grapefruit.
And 2 drops of head seasoning.
And 2 drops of mandarin.
I'll put this on, turn it on. Let's go rainbow hunting.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Now, you're gonna put this in the diffuser, try it out with just adding your oils, and you're gonna love it. So after you love it, grab a 5 milliliter bottle from the big bonus box and make a master blend. Once you make this blend, all you need to do is add a couple drops to your diffuser from this bottle.
All right, to make your master blend, you are going to want to add 37 drops of grapefruit, 25 drops of mandarin, 12 drops of cypress, and 25 drops of head soothing.
To make more fun essential oil recipes like this one, check out our Simply Earth recipe box.
Go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
In each of our monthly boxes, we give out a diffuser blend, so if you love making your own diffuser blends, this box is gonna change your life.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.
And, well, let me get the recipe.
Hey, get it together. Oh my goodness.
Here it is.